I can't wait to try these all on. Let's get...
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna, in case you didn't know, and today I have a very exciting fall video planned for you, and that is a Son de Flor unboxing and lookbook. When I saw this collection, I was like, it screams me. It screams fall, it screams me. I need it. I need 400 million things. Obviously, I don't need 400 million things, but a few things is perfect. And I cannot wait to open up this box and see what is inside. But before we get into the video, I just want to mention that this video is sponsored by Son de Flor, and I am very grateful for that. They are a brand that I truly love even before I was working with them. They are an amazing sustainable clothing company that primarily focuses on linen and wool. So thank you so much, Son de Flor, and I want to let you know that all opinions here are my own. I will be honest with you because that is so imperative to me. And I can't wait for you to open these up with me. So let's go. The first thing here is actually a little postcard or a print. You can use that to decorate, maybe make a mood board or send a friend a letter, and I love that. And what's this? They included a little letter. That was very, very sweet. I love the Son de Flor team. They are very kind. There's a lovely quote. Hold on. I am going to make everything around me beautiful. That will be my life. Elsie de Wolf. I'm probably not pronouncing that correctly, but I love that quote very much. Okay, I know now for the thing you've all been waiting for. Let me just undo this string here and we can get started looking at the items. So the first item is, oh yeah, it's the Scarlet blouse, and it's in warm brown. Oh my gosh, I love that it's got this pin tucking down the front, and then it's got darts just underneath the bust, and oh yeah, darts in the back too, so that's probably going to be very flattering. A little button in the back with half moon stitching. My favorite part of all, which is what attracted me so much to this blouse. Bishop sleeves. These are my favorite thing lately. They just feel very poetic. Oh my gosh, I really can't wait to try this on. Sorry, I'm being such a nerd. So I think that this is gonna be a staple in my fall wardrobe, and I'm gonna be wearing it constantly. If you do want to shop these items or anything else from Son de Flor, I will have links in the description below. I do earn a small commission, but please don't feel any pressure whatsoever. It's just there if you want to use it. Next, we actually have something I didn't know I was receiving, so this is a very kind gift. It is a beautiful navy blue linen scarf. I think it's like a blanket scarf, which is amazing. Sorry, apparently I can't wait. I just need to try it on right now. I have no self-restraint. Ooh. I love blanket scarves so much. Oh my gosh, I can already tell how like lovely and cozy this is gonna be. See, I'm not typically a blue person, but navy blue is something I do make an exception for because it is sort of more of an earth tone and it matches brown so well. And if you know me, then you know that most of my closet is like brown and beige. And as you can tell, it goes very well. All right, and the third item here is one item that Son de Flor is very much known for, and that is their classic dress. This one is in the color warm brown as well. Are you surprised that I got two things in warm brown? You shouldn't be, because this color is basically my personality. This is the long sleeve version, so perfect for fall and winter. It's got the lovely Peter Pan color, the wood buttons, beautiful circle skirt, and the bottom of the circle skirt has a little bit, sorry I dropped it, a little bit of white lining here, which looks so nice. And of course, pockets. I can't wait to wear this. It's going to be a great all year round piece. I think it's going to layer beautifully. That way you can be cute but still be warm and cozy, so that's a win for me. Last but certainly not least is this absolutely stunning tailored wrap dress. It is in the color brown checkers, I believe. And it is this beautiful warm brown mixed with beige, mixed with navy blue, so really wraps basically everything I love all together. I have never had one of their wrap dresses before, so I'm really looking forward to seeing how that fits on me and how it looks, because typically I do quite like wrap dresses. I think they're very flattering. So I can't wait. It also has a lovely circle skirt as well, long sleeves, and then the tie for the wrap. This one has pockets as well, and I'll let you find out for yourself what Son de Flor puts as a little gift in their pockets. I think you'll like it. Oh my gosh, I already feel like pretty and I'm just holding these items. Why? The color scheme really reminds me of sort of November, after all the leaves have fallen off the trees in the forest, and in the morning they all start to frost around the edges and things. I think the color scheme is perfect for that. Not that that's the only time you can wear it, but that's just kind of what it reminds me of, so. Okay, I'm very happy with these items. I cannot wait to try them on. The linen is really soft. The colors are phenomenal. I feel like they are even more beautiful than they look on the website, which is always a pro for me because, I don't know, it makes it feel extra special when it comes in the mail, and it's even better than you were expecting. Yeah, so let's do a little lookbook.
I've been in your waters, been knocking at your door. I know one thing for sure, I've never been so close before. How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are? What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's gray outside? It really makes me wonder.
I used to fall apart, lose myself, then give my heart away. Come and go in shady places. I used to sit and stare. Now the light runs through my lashes.
I love them so much. Which item was your favorite? I am having a bit of a hard time deciding, but I would love to know your opinions in the comments below. And if you have a moment to subscribe to my channel and like this video if you enjoyed it, that would mean the world to me. I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.